Усім привіт! Я рада вітати вас на курсі української мови. And in today's video we will discuss different phrases which you might need if you travel around Ukraine. We have already discussed this topic and you can find the part number 1 in the description box. And today is part number 2. Okay, so let's get started and learn Ukrainian together. So our first phrase, even not a phrase but a question today, is how much is the fare? How much is the fare? So if you want to ask that in Ukrainian, you need the question скільки. Скільки. Скільки is how much, and actually is how many as well. We don't have this difference. So скільки is how much or how many. And cost in Ukrainian is коштує. Скільки коштує. Скільки коштує. And you can use this question to ask about everything you need to buy. Скільки коштує ця річ? Скільки коштує проїзд? Проїзд is the fare. Скільки коштує проїзд? If you take a bus or a tram, a trolley bus, you can ask this question. But usually you can see a sign with the price. But sometimes you need to ask this question, not only about the fare, right? About everything. So you can remember these two words together. Скільки коштує. Скільки коштує. And then the word you need. Скільки коштує проїзд. Скільки коштує проїзд. Добре. Where do they sell tickets? So, one more very important question here is where, when you ask about the place, right? So, it's a very easy word in Ukrainian, only 2 letters. Де. 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 Де продаються, sell, продаються. You see that we don't use the structure do they sell, we just use the reflexive verb here. Де продаються квитки. And you can translate that as a passive voice in English. Where are the tickets sold? Yeah. Де продаються квитки. Квитки. The singular form is квиток, a ticket. Квиток. And here is a plural. Квитки. Квитки. Де продаються квитки. Добре. Of course, you can use there in other questions, right? We will see that a bit later when we will ask where is something and then the place, where the hotel, where the restaurant, and so on. But here we have the verb продаються. Де продаються квитки. Добре, let's see another slide. So you asked, скільки коштує проїзд? And somebody answers and tells you the price, right? So let's practice and see if you can read these numbers. Квиток, as I have already said, that's a ticket. Квиток коштує, costs. A ticket costs. Квиток коштує 15, that's 15. 15. 15 гривень. 15 гривень. If you don't know how to read the numbers, you can check the video I have about numbers in Ukrainian. It's not a very difficult topic, but a bit complicated sometimes because of the reading. I know it's not easy to pronounce everything, but you just need to practice and everything will be all right. So 15 гривнес, it's 15 гривень. Квиток коштує 15 гривень. Добре. А це скільки? Так, 20. 20. Квиток коштує 20 гривень. 20 гривень. Добре. А це скільки? 35. 35. Квиток коштує 35 гривень. 35 гривень. Так, добре. Наступне. Квиток коштує 40 гривень. 40 гривень. Добре. А це 50. Remember the apostrophe? 50 гривень. Квиток коштує 50 гривень. Так, а це вже дуже дорогий квиток. An expensive ticket. But not expensive for train. For train might be even more. So it's a possible price. So 150. 150 гривень. 50, 50, and 100 is 100. 150 гривень. Of course, people usually say it's really fast. 150 гривень. 150 гривень. But you should try to understand what people say, because usually people speak pretty fast. And 300. Так, квиток коштує 300 гривень. 300 гривень. Так, квиток коштує 300 гривень. Так, чудово.